I'm sorry that my audios are muted when I make these videos on VideoStar. But anyways, how to make a wiggle major on Android. First, let's grab a video. Then hang on. Let's grab a video. Let's go with this one. Then we press new, then we press free effect. Then we get wave. Then we go to up. And then press re-effect, and then we put it all the way up like this in the whole video, like this. Hawaiian punch. Yeah, like that. And then we want to do it like in the crying major version too. So we're doing it on left side. Hawaiian punch. Hawaiian punch. That's what it should look like. Now we send to camera roll. Then we go to KineMaster. Alright, let's get the exported video. I know. I don't know how it's muted. My VideoStar videos are muted. So we just find the exported video that we used to edit it, but the normal version. Where is it? There it is. Then we put it down there. Then we extract the audio, put the pitch -6. And we put the other pitch to +5 in chipmunk. Then trim left. Then go to the color changer. Put the color offset to 360 and the hue to 50. Make it bigger. And then you're done. Now let's play the simple. Hawaiian punch. That's it.